I'm Linda, proud member of the Procentec family. Welcome to our video covering quick and easy troubleshooting Ethernet IP with Osiris and the help of Delphi. Procentec is a complete provider of diagnostics and monitoring solutions for industrial networks. Not only are we a PI certified competence center and test lab, we also have over 20 years of experience in the field, helping you keep your industrial networks healthy and reliable 24/7. Did you know that a maintenance engineer on average takes about 3 to 4 years to fully understand the ins and outs of one industrial communications protocol? In other words, it takes a long time to acquire the knowledge needed to maintain and troubleshoot an industrial site. Nowadays, Profibus is still the most widely used field bus. The growing trend is that Profibus is now being supplemented with industrial Ethernet protocols like Profinet or EtherNet IP. So it is more and more common to see 3 or more protocols being used on one site, adding to the complexity. The expansion of mixed architecture networks and the move towards Industry 4.0 unleashes a great potential for digital data communications. However, expanding to a mixed architecture creates a challenge for the maintenance engineer. The maintenance engineer now ends up having half the knowledge required for a new site, while expected to support the new communication capabilities seamlessly, just as he did with the existing systems. At Procentec, we understand this challenge and design our solutions from the perspective of field technicians, empowering you to deliver on these new expectations. We call this Industry 4.0 Human, in which we assist the human workforce with future-proof solutions. We help you to be up to par with increasing market demands. Today, I will show you Osiris, our multi-protocol, easy-to-use and easy-to-understand software platform for diagnostics and monitoring of industrial networks. In this series of 3 short videos, we will connect to 3 different networks and get a high-level analysis of each. The focus of this video is on troubleshooting Ethernet IP. The other 2 videos of this series can be found on our YouTube channel. They cover troubleshooting Profibus and Profinet with the help of Osiris and Delphi. I will also show you how you can get simple textual information to understand and troubleshoot the faults in your Ethernet IP network. We would like you to meet Delphi, our virtual support engineer included in Osiris. So let's get into it. In this video, we will connect to an Ethernet IP network. Let's review the physical setup. In order to use Osiris on an Ethernet IP network, all you need is an Ethernet cable. In this video, we will utilize Osiris in combination with Procentec's commissioning wizard to troubleshoot the Ethernet IP network. You want to conduct an Ethernet IP diagnosis. Let's check the network. Click on Industrial Ethernet and you enter the Osiris dashboard. Go to the Ethernet tab to set up the IP address of Osiris that must be within the network IP range. You can set up 10 different scan ranges when performing measurements by using the Add button. Click Apply and OK. Then go to the top right and start the measurements to see if there are any network problems. You click on a device list and get a handy overview of all your devices. You see the device names, IP addresses and various other characteristics, including the port load and what kind of devices they are. No errors to be detected here. Back to the dashboard to look if the Q factor is okay. The Q stands for quality and the factor gives a general summary of the health of your network. You see that the traffic light is okay too. Start the commissioning wizard to look for issues and select Ethernet IP. The commissioning wizard is an optional Procentec tool that adds extra functionality. Tick off the quick scan and go to Next to perform the scan. This may take several minutes. It is showing that there is an IGMP multicast limit exceeded. Click on the question mark behind IGMP multicast to launch Virtual Assistant Delphi. With Delphi, Procentec offers a unique virtual help assistant that empowers you to do complex diagnostics and troubleshooting. There is no comparable solution on the market. You see the multicast listed. Exceeding this limit can cause overloads or unexpected behavior of devices, resulting in performance issues. The best practice is that the source of the IGMP message is connected to a switch which supports IGMP snooping. That way, the switch can only forward multicast messages to the devices that request the traffic and are designed to handle it. Delphi gives you guidelines for the IGMP snooping. It states snooping is helpful for a network with devices with an RPI lower than 10 milliseconds. Above you see that this is the case on your network with a measurement of 3 milliseconds. If snooping was active, you would not see the multicasting. To solve the IGMP issue, you need to log into the switch and configure IGMP snooping. Procentec support can always help you out to solve such matters. Back to the Osiris dashboard, you go to the commissioning wizard again and start it up like you did before to perform a quick scan. The result of the quick scan is a green check indicating all is fine. The network is okay, as you can see also in Delphi, so you solved the problem. Next, for reference, we generate a report. You fill out the details in the report box and click on Generate Report. You will see that the warning is still there for reference purposes. If you also want a report without any warnings indicated, you have to clear the measurement data and then generate a new report to have a before and after version. In conclusion, you just successfully diagnosed the EtherNet IP network with Osiris. You found the cause, used Delphi for a solution, you fixed the problem, checked it, and documented the network fault for reference purposes. Please note that this can all be executed live. That means that there is no need to start or stop production. This saves valuable time and costs and gives you immediate results. Just to recap the information you've just seen. Nowadays, there is a major increase in mixed architectures featuring protocols like Profibus, Profinet, and EtherNet IP. This makes your job as a maintenance engineer more complicated. Usually it takes years to fully understand all the ins and outs of just one communication protocol. Procentec offers a smart, easy, and reliable solution for multiple protocols. The diagnostics and monitoring software platform Osiris features a handy virtual support assistant called Delphi, the only of its kind in the industry. Procentec's platform enables you to make a quick, thorough analysis and to immediately take the correct action. With the right setup, this can be done live without interrupting any production processes. At the end of the day, this solution makes your work as a maintenance or field engineer much easier. It saves time and costs related to recurring slowdowns and downtime, now and in the future. Thank you for watching this video covering troubleshooting Ethernet IP with Osiris and the help of Delphi. This video is part of a series of 3 videos. The other 2 cover Profibus and Profinet troubleshooting. For more detailed information and to learn more about our professional solutions, we gladly invite you to visit our website. Also, feel free to check out and give feedback on our other handy videos on our YouTube channel. Any topics you would like us to cover, just get in touch. My name is Linda, proud member of the Procentec family. See you next time.